I was fortunate enough to start dancing at a very young age of 6. I got introduced to ballet by default. My mom sent me to dance classes because I had knock knees, and she thought I was going to do Latin American. Little did I know, I stepped right into a ballet class and met Martin Schonberg, my director, my teacher, my mentor, for about 15, 16 years. Joined the youth ballet company called Ballet Theatre African. After that, I went on to Sun City, did some extravaganza work, and moved on to the cruise ships.
And you got me like, girl, what you want from me?
The biggest challenge that I've had up until now is that we can't gather with our students, and because I am based in a community, kids don't have access to internet, or I often get the data problem. So what I do then is I would send them WhatsApp little videos. I think government could assist us with free Wi-Fi perhaps to access all our students and all possible clients, so everyone can have access to the internet, as it is a big problem. Not everyone has the funds to buy data, and that has access to online classes, because online classes is a big thing, but not everyone has access to it. So definitely free Wi-Fi.